Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And we are on chapter number 12 from this amazing book, Master Your Emotions. And the chapter is talking about changing your interpretations. We know our mind is a meaning making machine, and we keep on making meaning out of every event that happens in our lives, right? Let's quickly hop into the book and read what does the author has to share with us. Changing your interpretations. The sight of slaughterhouse may trigger a negative emotion in you, whereas it may be positive for the business owners and natural for the machine operator. It all depends on how you are conditioned, says Om Swami in the book A Million Thoughts. Isn't that true? The people who are vegetarian, if they go through a slaughterhouse, they will feel very negative about it. Whereas जो बिजनेस कर रहा है, जिसका मीट सेल आउट होना है, फॉर हिम इट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग दैट वाओ वंडरफुल, so many chickens are being slaughtered and everything, or whatsoever, goat or जो भी होता है, I don't even know about that. Or they will be happy that that is going to bring business to them. Everybody looks at the circumstances, the things that are happening around them as per the way they have been conditioned, as per their own perspectives, as per their own likings and dislikings. In itself, an event or a thought has no power to alter your emotional state. What generates emotions is the way you choose to interpret the event or thought. This is why two people can react differently to the same situation. One will see problem and blame external circumstances, while the other will see an opportunity to be embraced. One will get stuck, the other will grow. How many of you know that when we see at the figure 6, from one side it will look like a 6, from the other side of it, you will see a 9. That is how we all perceive things. हमारी तरफ से क्या दिख रहा है के हिसाब से हम लोग उसके बारे में इमोशंस क्रिएट करते हैं, थॉट्स क्रिएट करते हैं. The way you interpret events is closely linked to general assumption you hold about life. As such, it is essential we first delve into the underlying assumptions that lead to these interpretations. Exploring your assumptions. To enter a given emotional state, you made certain assumptions regarding how things should be. These assumptions constitute your subjective reality because you are convinced they are true. You don't question them. Below are some examples of assumptions you may have. Problems should be avoided. I should be healthy. This is a problem. I will give at least until I'm 70. I must get married. Complaining is normal. There is nothing wrong with dwelling on the past. I need to worry about the future, and or I can't be happy unless or until insert your answer here. So these are the things that we assume. Hi Madhulika, thank you for joining in. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, Karishma.
So today we are reading about how do we change the interpretations. As of now, we have read that how the first example that has been given in this book itself is slaughterhouse के बाहर से जब हम निकलते हैं, a vegetarian will have different kind of perspective. A business owner of that very slaughterhouse will have different kind of perspective कि wow इतने सारे chickens slaught हो रहे हैं या whatever animals को वो करते हैं वहां पे slaughterhouse में, उसको business आ रहा है. बट वेर इन हम लोग जो वेजिटेरियंस होते हैं वो उसके सामने से निकलते हैं तो दे फील बैड, दे फील नेगेटिव अबाउट इट, राइट? Likewise, I gave an example of how from one side, if we see the figure 6, it looks 6. And from the other side, we see it as a 9. Everything that we, give meaning to uh, normally depends on how we have been conditioned, how the, deletion distortion of our brain is working, and such events, कि हमारी लाइफ में हम किस चीज को बिलीव करते हैं, व्हाट आर बिलीव्स, व्हाट आर फेथ्स, इन सब चीजों के ऊपर हमारे बड़े सारे थॉट प्रोसेस डिपेंड करता है. द मीनिंग्स वी क्रिएट आउट ऑफ दोस events outside are happening with such this thing. These are the ones that when you joined, the lines that I was reading were examples of assumptions we make. All right, now let's look at each one of them, of these assumptions. First one was problems should be avoided. Many people want to get rid of their problems. But what if you can't? And what if you don't need to? For sure, some people have better problems than others, but everybody has problems. What if the assumption that you shouldn't have any problem is wrong? What if you need to learn how to dance in the rain and make the most of your problems? What if the problems are just challenges to be overcome and part of life? And in fact, I would say that any kind of obstacles, challenges, problems that we face come into our lives only to make us grow, for us to learn something from it. And till we actually learn from them, they keep on repeating and repeating and repeating. All right. This is a problem. हम बड़ी सारी चीजों को कहते हैं this is a problem, right? What if this thing you label as a problem is actually not a problem? What if it doesn't matter as much as you think? What if it is an opportunity in disguise? And how could you make it so? I should be healthy. ये तो third है, but before we go to I should be healthy, I know for a fact कि there are so many times we as married women keep on complaining, मेरा पति ऐसा है, मेरा पति ऐसा है, ये तो ऐसा है, इससे तो बेकार है, ये तो कोई फायदा नहीं है ऐसे रिलेशनशिप का. Whereas there is somebody else who is actually wanting this problem. काश जैसा भी मिले मिल जाए. All right, I should be healthy. We tend to take our health for granted, but we cannot guarantee we won't get sick tomorrow. What if your health is a blessing and not necessarily the default position? Wouldn't that make you think of your health in a different way? हम बोलते हैं आई शुड बी हेल्दी, बट वी टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड. हम तो हर रोज की जिंदगी में जो करना है कर ही रहे हैं. वी नेवर टेक डेलिबरेट एक्शंस टू कीप इट हेल्दी. जिस दिन बीमार होते हैं उस दिन सब समझ में आता है और ये गलत कर रही थी. आई शुड हैव बीन टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माई हेल्थ इन दिस वे. जब बहुत सारा वेट बढ़ जाता है उसके बाद यू रियलाइज ओहो ये तो गड़बड़ हो गई. नाउ आई स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट एंड इट बिकम्स इवन मोर डिफिकल्ट. I will live at least until I'm 70. Assumption ही है, guarantee तो कल की भी नहीं है. You probably assume you will live a long life, but what if that's not the case? Isn't living a long life a blessing rather than something you should take for granted? Unfortunately, some people die young, but that's the nature of reality. People say he died too young, but is that correct? Is it more accurate to say that he just died, neither too young nor too old? Thank you, Madhulika, for switching on your camera. It's always nice to see somebody on screen. Would you like to share anything up till now?
Yeah, it all depends on our perspectives. Problems should be avoided, as we have read that many people want to get rid of their problems. But what if they can't? What if you don't need to? For sure, if you ask people, if you make 5 or 6 friends sit on a table, on a round table, and ask everyone to put their problems on the table, and then you ask them that fine, there is an exchange offer if you would like to pick up someone's else, no, they will pick up their own only, because they know how to deal with that, and it becomes, it becomes their comfort zone now, that
Yes.
yes, I can deal with this.
Hmm.
So yeah, but it can be said that at times people avoid problem. They don't even acknowledge that yes, it is a problem, that it needs your attention, it needs your some sort of energy to get it resolved.
Hmm.
No, that is also a perspective. And then yes, I should be healthy. So the other day I was talking to someone, and yeah, they said that that now my dad is on, boiled diet. He has this problem, that problem, and he eats only this much of quantity. So I said कि वैसे देखा जाए तो सबको यही खाना चाहिए. एक्चुअली हम सबको हमेशा यही खाना चाहिए.
हम्म। और मुंह का
बट हम
स्वाद का
लोग
क्या करें बेचारे हम।
एग्जैक्टली मतलब मुंह के स्वाद के लिए था कि कुछ अच्छा बना के ऐसे खा लो, बट अदरवाइज दलिया खिचड़ी है ना, यही सब हमारे खाने में होना चाहिए था. बाजरे का आटा, हमारा मिलेट्स हो गए जो भी हैं अभी, अब मॉडर्न टर्म्स में बोलोगे तो. बट एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो यही खाना चाहिए था, है ना. अब हम नॉर्मली भी तो खाने लगे हैं पकवान, और वीकेंड्स पे करने लगे हैं मोमोज के साथ सत्यानाश अपने पेट का. तो
So true.
मतलब
I mean, I still remember normally when we used to go to party or जब हम बहुत छोटे थे तो it used to be like आज ना राखी है, चलो आज राजमा चावल बनेंगे, चलो आज छोले भटूरे बनाएंगे. एंड नाउ इट्स लाइक खाने के लिए कौन बात कर रहा है यार, हम तो मिलने के लिए बात कर रहे हैं. वी ईट एवरीथिंग एट आवर ओन प्लेसेस. वी डोंट नीड एनी स्पेशल पकवान एंड दिस एंड दैट.
सीरियसली, आई मीन पहले बर्थडे पार्टीज में जाने का कितना क्रेज होता था करिश्मा, जब हम बचपन में थे. जल्दी चलो वरना केक कट जाएगा. मतलब अदरवाइज इफ वी मिस द केक,
हाँ.
दैट मीन्स वी हैव नॉट अटेंडेड द बर्थडे पार्टी. और जब तक घुस घुस के वो केक का एक पीस नहीं खाने को मिलेगा, बिकॉज इट वॉज हार्ड टू गेट एट दैट टाइम. अभी तो केक ऐसे घर में रुलता रहता है, हाथ जोड़ के बोलना पड़ता है भाई
खा
केक
लो,
मत
खत्म
भेजना.
कर लो.
हाँ, भेजना ही मत, क्योंकि वरना सारा पेट में ही जाएगा. आप थोड़ा थोड़ा करके भी खाओगे, आपने 6 दिन में भी खाया तो भी अल्टीमेटली तो 6 दिन में आपके पेट में गया ना. तो मतलब इतनी अबंडेंस हो गई है चीजों की भी, कि हेल्थ की तो बिल्कुल
बैंड बज
धज्जियां
चुकी
ही,
है.
हाँ, धज्जियां ही उड़ गई हैं. सो आई थिंक वी हैव टू, इट्स अ सर्कल, एवरीथिंग इज अ सर्कल, वी हैव टू सर्कल इट बैक. So yeah, it is right that people say that he died too young, but right, it's not correct. Isn't it more accurate to say that he just died?
Hmm. And like yesterday, I don't know who was saying this. I think Pranavi was saying कि um, you should look up to मैंने इतने साल जीना है. Who was it? There was somebody in some session. I don't even remember now. But the concept that she was sharing was कि when I am so I should be thinking about. So I was saying कि if I'm 40 years old, I should be thinking I'm 16 years old and I have this much of experience. So that gives me a lot more, this thing ki, oh yes, I'm young and I can do more. And this lady who was, I don't remember who was it, she was sharing the concept that if you are 40, start thinking you are 60, you have just this much of time left. So you need to work even with more speed and efficiency. So this is what I, also flashed in my head when I was reading, but I will live at least until 70. I am 70. कोई तो गारंटी है ही नहीं. इनफैक्ट whether I am 30, whether I am 20, whether I am 50, or whether I am 70. I have a neighbor auntie who is 90 plus and she's still walking around in the street. And she's saying, इस साल ते नहीं टपना, ऐ साल ते नहीं टपना हूं. Every year she has the same words. And she's still alive. And there are so many people in the same street who have passed away in their 50s and 40s and 70s. So it's
हाँ.
like, and she keeps on telling, oh, ते मेरे सामने भी आई सी, वो भी मर गई, वो भी मर गई. I'm like, oh, ऐसा नहीं टपना मेरा. So I think we should be grateful for whatever life we have, whatever days we have, make every day count. Try to bring a shift in somebody's life. Um, Try to make somebody smile every day so that uh, maybe that will be the legacy that we will be leaving before we go. And we don't know कि अगले दिन उठने हैं कि नहीं उठना है, अगली बार किसी से मिलना है कि नहीं मिलना है. तो let's make the best use of it.
Right.
Next we get to I must get married. बड़े सारे लोगों का होता है. एंड जो शादीशुदा होते हैं वो कहते हैं ना कि जो शादी का लड्डू खाए वो भी पछता है और जो ना खाए वो भी पछता है. So how do we break that? Maybe, maybe not. That's just an interpretation. Shoulds are generally things society or your parents expect you to do, but it does not mean it has to be that way. These are often cultural norms or conditioned behaviors. अब तो आजकल तो बहुत सारे लोग दे आर चूजिंग टू स्टे सिंगल. क्यों करनी है शादी? मैं अपना कमाऊंगा, अपना खाऊंगा. Why should I earn for somebody else? Let everybody earn for their own selves. I don't know. There is
Karishma, I have a couple of friends and we all are in the same age group. So our kids were also, classmates. I mean, the same age group kids are also. So my daughter is now like 20, 25, 24, 25. She's now. And so everyone's daughter, kids are in the same age. So one of my friends, she is ready to get her daughter married. And she asked me that, Madhu, this time Vidisha came, your daughter came, so did you had a word with her? I said, किसके बारे में बात करनी है कि रिलेशनशिप के बारे में. अरे मैंने बोला अभी तो मैं ही तैयार नहीं हूँ उसके रिलेशनशिप के लिए. मैं तो उसको बोलती हूँ भाई क्यों शादी करनी है, जरूरत क्या है. सो कभी कभी मुझे ये डाउट भी आता है कि ऐसा तो नहीं कि मैं उसको ये अपनी ओपिनियन देख के उसको
ब्लॉक कर रहे हो.
हाँ मैं उसको ब्लॉक कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मे बी I had such an experience because of my experience, but what I can share is my experience only. That is what I can share. I cannot share someone else's experience with her. And she has grown seeing me that way.
So for
So,
me also, it's like I got married early. So
hmm,
only agenda that I kept in front of my kids was पढ़ाई करोगे, नौकरी करोगे, अच्छे से पैसे कमाओगे, then only you will get married. You're not getting married before that. But I'm still open with the fact कि whatever my kids bring to me. आज मेरे को ये लड़का दिखा, I liked him, उसने मेरे को प्रपोज भी कर दिया, बट मैंने उसको मना कर दिया. That kind of a stuff. And I'm like, अच्छा, but then I also keep on, asking them. अच्छा ठीक है, तो why did you say no? Because I don't want to get into relationship. पहले पढ़ लूं, कमा लूं, उसके बाद सोचेंगे. तो that has got into their head. ठीक है, जो मर्जी हो, जो मर्जी होता रहे, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इनटू इट बिकॉज. तो मेरा दिमाग में ये था बिकॉज आई गॉट इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप, इसलिए मेरी शादी हो गई, और मेरी शादी हो गई इसके लिए मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाई. नाउ आई एम रिवर्सिंग इट. नाउ आई कीप टेलिंग देम कि वैसे गुड साइड ऑफ मी गेटिंग मैरिड अर्ली वाज दैट यू ऑल आर यंग, you all have your own things to do, but I am doing my thing as well. Now while you are building your careers, I'm also building my own career. So I'm okay with whatever it is. I want them to be open to me with whatever is coming and happening in their lives. uh, अगर somebody tells me, so मेरी जो जेठानी की daughter है, she says कि I'm not getting married before 30. I have this to be studied before I get married. I have to have an independent life, and I want to get married to a person who is also settled, well settled, and independent in his own life. Then we come together. I'm like, very well, nice. जो है, you be clear at your own end कि तुमको क्या चाहिए अपनी लाइफ से. That's it. देर इज नो प्रेशर की शादी करनी है, देर इज नो प्रेशर की शादी नहीं करनी है. जो तुम्हारे को ठीक लगता है वो करो, बट या अपने पेरेंट्स को क्लैरिटी में जरूर रखो कि पता चले हम लड़का ढूंढ रहे हैं और बच्चे को तो
वही
शादी
तो
नहीं करनी.
वही तो मैं तो ढूंढने भी नहीं वाली हूँ.
आई नो.
मतलब अब वो तो मुझे लगता है कि she has to convince me कि अब तो कर ही दो प्लीज.
हाँ.
I mean, I will not be the mother who will chase her to get married.
No.
Never.
हमारे
Well,
घर में आदमी लोग कर सकते हैं, बट वी एज वुमेन, मेरी जेठानी एंड मी, वी आर वेरी casual and very okay with kids taking their own sweet time to decide whether they want to, and now they want to get married because it's high time. अभी बस
okay,
अब मेरे
Karishma,
को
when
करना.
is the high time?
There, everybody has their own high time.
No, according to you, when is the high time?
कुछ नहीं. जब जब आप रेडी हो, जब आपको पता है यू आर. सो सुनो, मेरे आई हैव टू एस्पेक्ट्स टू दिस. When a young girl gets married, she gets into the sancha very easily. She does not have much in her head. ये चाहिए, ऐसे चाहिए, this चाहिए. Then there are girls who grow a little older, 24 25 के टाइम से आपको समझ आना शुरू हो जाता है, this is what I want in my life. These are the luxuries that I want. This is the attitude of a man that I want. I don't want to get married to any kind of a man. This is the kind of in-laws that I want. Right? तब वही उसके दिमाग में, and the age, the more the age gets going, और stubbornness आती जाती है. So it is for the इंसान, him or herself. It is not my thing. मेरा जो काम था मेरा तो हो चुका. I say make your own choices. These are the two
And
things that
what if, okay, and what if, just imagine that your daughter is 33 and she's still not ready to get married.
Hmm.
She is well settled. 33 साल का बच्चा तो 5-6 साल कमाता हुआ हो जाता है.
मस्त आराम से.
है ना? तो मतलब वो फाइनेंशियली भी सेटल्ड है, मेंटली भी सेटल्ड है, और आई मीन अगर हमारे इसमें देखा जाए तो फिजिकली लाइक द टाइम इज लाइक
Time.
स्लिपिंग अवे,
Hmm.
right, to have that family and all.
Biological, yeah, the biological time is different.
Biological clock is ticking. So then what will be your take? Then will you ask her, no, 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 you have to get into a relationship?
I will just ask me. I don't know. I don't want this situation to come to me.
Yeah, definitely, for
है ना.
sure. But still,
I would love for her to settle by she's at least, मतलब maximum she's by 28. I think she should settle. बट अगर हो जाता है, मैं नहीं उसके पीछे पड़ने वाली. इन एनी केस मेरे को पता है मेरा पति पीछे पड़ जाएगा, करवा ही देगा. बट एनीवे, अगर ऐसा हो भी जाता है तो माय क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑलवेज अराउंड, व्हाट इज इट दैट स्टॉप्स यू फ्रॉम गेटिंग इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप? डू यू नीड एनी हेल्प अराउंड? देयर आर टाइम्स जब बच्चे को कोई पसंद ही नहीं आ रहा है. So my eldest daughter, she normally tells me at 25, when I turn 25, start looking around for boys. I don't know whether I will ever like any guy because my expectations are too high. कि 25 साल की होंगी, अपने आप देख लेना, मेरे को 5-7 लड़के दे देना, I'll date all of them and I'll see to it कि whom am I going to marry.
हम करिश्मा शादी करने को सेटल होने से क्यों जोड़ देते हैं?
ये तो है ही.
सेटल हो.
सेटल तो सेटल ही है. पैसे कमा रहे हो, अपना
नहीं,
खाओ पियो एंजॉय करो.
नहीं, I mean that is the ultimate thing, settle. You know, and we don't know. Rather, the settlement is after, starts always after that.
नहीं पता है क्यों? वो हम एज पेरेंट्स इसलिए सोचते हैं कि हमारा बच्चा सेटल हो जाए, बिकॉज वी फील कि एवरीबडी शुड हैव अ कंपेनियन विद whom they can lead their life till
Karishma,
end.
being a female, भी हम ऐसा सोच सकते हैं? मुझे नहीं लगता. बीइंग अ फीमेल, मैं कभी किसी लड़की के लिए नहीं सोचूंगी सच में. मैंने सीरियसली, मैं आपको बताऊं, आई हैव टोल्ड माय डॉटर, unless until you get someone with whom you are ready to spend your life with, don't look for boys. कि मैं लड़का ढूंढू, मछली नहीं पकड़नी है. अगर आपको कोई ऐसा लगता है कि दिस इज द वन with whom I can spend my life, the entire life, then look for marriage. मतलब शादी बाद में आनी चाहिए पिक्चर में. पहले बैकग्राउंड में शादी रख के हंट करने की बजाय, अगर आपको कोई अच्छा लगता है तो आप उसके साथ रहो, जीवन बिताओ. वरना जीवन को बर्बाद करने की क्या जरूरत? हमने तो बत्ती लगा के देख लिया, आग लगा के देख लिया, कुछ मिला तो है नहीं. I mean, being a female, see, you must have also seen the life of your Jethani, your mother, your sisters, your cousin sisters. Everyone has the same rag. एवरीवन अराउंड हैज समथिंग, 19-20 का ही डिफरेंस है। चाहे आप फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट हो या नहीं हो, बट स्टिल बिकॉज इट्स अ मेल डोमिनेटिंग सोसाइटी, अगेन यू आर डिपेंडेंट for the, you know, for permissions, for investments. Nobody does, no female does investments. आप फिर भी डिपेंडेंट हो, डिपेंडेंट होना भी, और ऊपर से परमिशन लेना, यू नो, यू सीक फॉर परमिशन,
कल आजकल
वैलिडेशन।
कंसेप्ट ना थोड़ा सा चेंज हो रहा है मधुलिका. नाउ women are becoming very smart, especially the girls. Now what they are looking out for is कि uh, so I have a cousin. She does her own investments. She does everything herself. उसने अपने घर पूरा बनवाया on her own. She does not have any brother. She's a single child. A time in life comes when she says कि अब कोई तो यार मेरे को भी पैम्पर कर दे, बस हुआ, बहुत ले ली, जिंदगी से भी बोर हो जाती हैं लड़कियां. सारी जिंदगी खुद ही तो कर रही हूँ सब कुछ, कोई तो मिल जाए.
हाँ, डेफिनेटली इफ शी नीड्स दैट, देन यस, इट शुड बी डन.
बिकॉज उसका रीजन ये है कि आप ही अकेले करते जा रहे हो, करते जा रहे हो, एट द एंड कर किसके ले रहे हो, क्यों कर रहे हो. एट लास्ट तो फिर आपको ये भी आ जाएगा ना, चलना करना क्यों है, छोड़ परे. एंड द मोमेंट यू छोड़ परे इज द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट डाइंग एज वेल. क्यों रिटायरमेंट के बाद पीपल फॉल.
Exactly, because we don't have a bigger purpose. Definitely, we don't have a bigger purpose. If you can engage yourself with some organization or somewhere, you have a bigger, you know, vision for yourself. तो बात ही अलग है फिर. Then you'll not fall for small things, you know.
बट द थिंग इज, फिर से वही बात है ना कि अभी अगर किसी का कोई ऐसा सच विजन है नहीं, तो नॉर्मल लेमैन का विजन है क्या. मैं शादी करूंगी, हस्बैंड के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करूंगी, शादी के बाद मेरे बच्चे होंगे, फिर मैं अपने बच्चों की जिंदगी बनाऊंगी, बच्चों की फिर मैं शादियां करूंगी. नॉर्मल नॉर्मल लड़की के यही विश्व वो है ना, सपने.
Uh,
बट बट
Nowadays,
हैविंग सेड दैट, लड़कियां बहुत ज्यादा स्मार्ट हो गई हैं. दे नो व्हाट दे वांट, व्हाट दे नो, व्हाट दे डू नॉट वांट एट ऑल, बिकॉज दे हैव सीन देयर पेरेंट्स अच्छे से.
right. चलो देखेंगे जब बच्चे बड़े होंगे और बड़े
लेट्स सी.
होंगे.
अभी तो मेरा बच्चा बहुत ही छोटा है. और नहीं, और देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन शी सेज बस यार मैं बोर हो गई हूँ, बहुत काम करना पड़ता है, बिकॉज शी इज इन कनाडा, तो झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन कपड़े खाना पीना सब खुद करना है, एंड देन जॉब भी करनी है एंड
हम्म.
कॉलेज भी जाना है. तो नाउ शी इज लाइक बोर्ड एट टाइम्स एंड शी सेज शादी करा दो. एंड आई एम लाइक ओ वाओ, सच्ची में शादी करा दूं. डू यू नो शादी ब्रिंग्स इवन बिगर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. अरे यार छोड़ो, मैं ऐसे ही ठीक हूँ.
दो के बर्तन धोने पड़ेंगे.
एक के नहीं तो दो के धोने होंगे. एक के नहीं, सब कुछ दो दो का करना पड़ेगा, और मे बी इफ इट इज अ बिगर फैमिली देन सबका.
सबका.
सो इट इज आई थिंक वी शुड लीव दिस इनटू द किड्स, you know, own understanding of world. They
But
have.
they look up to us,
हाँ,
Karishma.
they
They
do.
look up to
हम तो
us
हम
for,
we can share only the perspectives that we have, only
yeah, that's what I'm saying
stories.
ना, कि क्या हमें हमें अपने एक्सपीरियंस वाला ही पर्सपेक्टिव देना चाहिए, या कुछ बदल गया है, और वी कैन से कि नहीं नहीं, हम कोई पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं दे रहे, यू डू वॉट एवर यू फील लाइक.
नो नो नो, पर्सपेक्टिव तो हमारे को देना बहुत जरूरी है. वी हैव टू हैव सो मेनी स्टोरीज, यू नो, अराउंड. वो रीजन बीइंग कि not only my story decides what is going to happen in your life. What you want in your life can be a story of somebody else that is leading that story already. So if I want that, I want to get into married into a very rich wealthy family, तो ऐसा नहीं है ना कि मेरे मम्मी पापा अगर रिच वेल्दी नहीं है तो आई कैन नॉट गेट मैरिड इनटू सच अ फैमिली. देयर वुड बी somebody out there who does not come from a very rich family and has gotten married into a wealthy rich family and she's enjoying her life. So it is on you that what is the vision that you want in your life, what is the, you know, what is the reality that you want to create around in your life. उसके हिसाब से कोई ना कोई तो इंसान ढूंढ ही लोगे कि जिस जो आपकी सिचुएशन में है और आपकी सिचुएशन से उस सिचुएशन में गया है. So when I talk about this, where I would say कि जब मेरे को coach बनना था, तो one of my mentors told me, Karishma, is that true that do you know any girl around you or any lady around you who has become a coach but was a homemaker for such a long time? What did she do? Start doing that. Make her story yours. उसने ये किया, उसकी ग्रोथ हो गई, उसने सीखा, उसने इतने सारी क्लासेस अटेंड करी, उसने सब सीखा, और फिर वो खुद भी कोच बन गई और वो भी काम करने लग गई.
And who was your mentor, Karishma?
My first mentor was Shruti Chaudhary from Charismatic You.
Charismatic you. Okay, Shruti. Okay, and then?
उस मेरी फर्स्ट एंड मतलब लाइफ टाइम मेंटर वही है. एंड देन उसके बाद छोटे छोटे कई कई मेंटर्स आते हैं जाते हैं आते हैं जाते हैं. एंड देन आई लुक अप टू पूजा पुनीत एज वेल.
Pooja Puneet.
Yes, and Pooja Puneet is one of those mentors I resonate a lot with. Why? Because she got early and she got married very early in her life. She got babies early and she got married to a wealthier man than the family she was coming from. And she had a lot of aspirations, but she got married. बस उसकी स्टोरी और मेरी स्टोरी में ये डिफरेंस है. शी वॉज एन अरेंज मैरिज गर्ल एंड आई वॉज अ लव मैरिज गर्ल. दैट्स इट. So I resonate with her story a lot and I keep telling myself कि अगर वो कर सकती है तो मैं तो वैसे ही कर सकती हूँ. मेरी तो लव वैसे भी लव मैरिज. All right, let's go ahead with complaining is normal. Is complaining normal? Most complaining is a play of the ego and is not constructive. It doesn't help you and doesn't change anything. The only thing it does is strengthen your ego and offend people. Try to spend an entire week without complaining and see what happens. कभी ट्राई किया आपने ये?
Yeah, I've tried it. I've practiced it religiously because I've gone through the book How to Win Friends and Influence People.
Yeah.
And there is one very strong principle that says, don't criticize, condemn, or complain.
Yes.
So I've practiced that principle. And yes, it gives you a lot of peace of mind and a good repo as well. Seriously.
Rapport building.
I mean,
that's very good.
and Karishma, basically, I am sick of, I am tired of justifying myself, because I am listening all the day complaints, 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 complaints. खड़े हो गए तो क्यों खड़े हो गए, बैठ गए तो क्यों बैठ गए, आज दाल बनाई तो दाल क्यों बनाई, और कल सब्जी बनाई थी तो कल सब्जी क्यों बनाई थी, आज तो मुझे दाल खानी थी, कल मुझे दाल खानी थी, आज मुझे सब्जी खानी थी, आज मेरे को चावल नहीं खाने थे तो आज चावल क्यों. आई मीन every time you breathe out, it is the time to breathe in. You breathe in, it is the time to breathe out. I mean, that sort of company. So I'm sick of that. Listening it for myself and justifying it. So I started building my own boundaries, setting my boundaries, and then I've made it a thing that I will not complain, because the poison that I have had, I will not spread it. And let me see how it happens, what it happens. And yes, definitely, it gives you immense pleasure and a lot of peace of mind, because you don't expect from others then. Let them be. I mean, ठीक है. So whether it's my teenage son or or even my maid, if she does dusting, it is good with me. If she leaves sometime, I said, बस मेरे को बता दिया कर, मुस्कान, कोई बात नहीं, तेरा मन नहीं है ना, कोई बात नहीं, जा तू बता दिया कर क्या आंटी आज मैंने यहाँ की छोड़ दिया. आई सेड, आई मीन, मेरे को ठीक है, तेरा मन नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, मत कर. I never complain, not even to my maid.
Wonderful, wonderful.
And she never takes a leave. She comes at my home 30 out of 30 days.
Wonderful. Beautiful. That's how my house help is as well. उसको लगता है कि सबकी छुट्टी कर लेती हूँ, बट आई गो टू भाभीज प्लेस. बाय बिकॉज मेरे को वहां पे बहुत रिलैक्स्ड है.
हाँ, चिक चिक नहीं है ना. नो वन इज जजिंग देम.
Yes.
कि ये गलत किया, ये सही किया. आई मीन, people get sick
People
of
are
this
finicky.
being observed under microscope.
And सच्ची बताऊं, there is a psychology behind the people who complain around.
हाँ. Right. I think it's their living mechanism.
नहीं, they have a lot of complaints from themselves. They are unsatisfied
Yes.
souls within
Definitely.
themselves.
Definitely.
All
It is their inner child.
right. All right. There is nothing wrong with dwelling on the past. You probably spend too much time dwelling on the past. Everybody does. But do you realize the past exists only in your mind? And do you realize you can't change it no matter what you do?
Hmm.
Learning from the past is useful. Dwelling on it is not.
Is not. Yes.
And actually, the this is an activity that we did. I did in Pooja Puneet's room, wherein she makes us write the past instance that brings us down, brings our emotions down every time. What is the story that you are telling about this past event? And then you need to shift that story into something beautiful story.
Oh,
What did
wow.
you learn? So
That's
how? So when I was telling myself constantly ki because I got married early, I could not do any job. This is such a sad story for me. It was such a sad. And every time around my periods, I would, go down and I would only cry about, ki काश मैं कुछ कर लेती काश कुछ हो जाता एंड माय किड्स स्टिल लाफ एट मी आपका तो बट हो जाता था ना बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू से हाँ आई एम वेरी हैप्पी बट I could not do anything. You know? And this was such a sad story for me. And while I was in a room, this is the story that I wrote. And I shifted the story in a beautiful story, as in what I keep on telling now. Oh, thank God I got married early. Now my kids are young. Now they all are living their own lives, and I am also building my own career along with them. They are building theirs, I'm building mine. Isn't it this beautiful? There are
We
people
both are sailing in the same waters, Karishma.
There are ladies who keep crying, मैं मोटी हूँ मेरा पूरा फिगर बढ़िया but hip से इतना मोटा हो जाता है I don't know what to do. Now Pooja Puneet gave a beautiful story to this as well. Oh, I'm such a lean, slim body and it is so comfortable sitting on a cushion bum. I feel like I'm sitting on a cushion. It feels like a queen. I'm like, wow, I never thought of that. It is just the story.
It's all that perspective matters. It's all that your perspective is.
It's only the story that
How
you
you
give to your
look.
mind.
Hmm. हाँ जी कौन है आप जल्दी क्यों आ गए मुस्कान
आंटी ने छोड़ दिया आंटी को
ओके
कहीं जाना था आंटी
परफेक्ट
कोई बात नहीं आज हमने मुस्कान के बारे में सुना था आज हम मुस्कान को मिल भी लिए हेलो मुस्कान
she's such a sweet girl
चलो आगे चलते हैं
right
I need to worry about the future. Worrying about the future is unavoidable to a certain extent, but it doesn't help. Instead, you should do the best you can in the present to avoid future problems. हम बहुत
of
टाइम में
course
यही इस थॉट लूप में पड़े रह जाते हैं कि मुझे जिंदगी में ये करना था. हाउ अबाउट स्टार्ट टेकिंग एक्शन टुडे इंस्टेड ऑफ फोकसिंग ऑन क्या करना था उसके लिए मैं आज क्या कर सकती हूँ वही करना शुरू कर दूं. हाउ दे से टेक वन टाइनी लिटिल स्टेप every single day that takes you towards your goal rather than sitting and thinking in your head कि मेरे को ये गोल अचीव करना था. Yeah. I can't be happy unless insert your answer. हाँ तो हम लोग बहुत सारी जगह पे अपनी एक लिमिट बना देते हैं. सो देर विल बी अ होम मेकर हु विल से मैं जिंदगी में ना हर महीने 5,000 भी कमा लू ना मेरे लिए बहुत है. आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी. ठीक है. और देर विल बी अ होम मेकर हु विल से मैं ना मेरे को महीने के ना 2 लाख 5 लाख रुपए ही चाहिए वही मेरे को खुश बनाएगा. तो हु विल बी हैप्पियर जो 5,000 कमा के 10,000 15,000 50,000 भी कमा लेगा बट वो उस लेवल उसने वो लेवल रखा है तो शी विल बी वेरी हैप्पी ऑलवेज. एंड द पर्सन हु इज लुकिंग फॉर 5 लाख रुपए वो तो वो देखती रहेगी यहाँ तो पहुंची नहीं मैं तो यहाँ ही पहुंची हूँ यहीं पहुंची हूँ यही पहुंची हूँ यहाँ पे कब पहुंचूंगी और वो खुशी नहीं होगी कि इतना भी कमा लिया भाई जीरो से यहाँ तक तो आई गई तू. You don't need to have a perfect life to be happy. Happiness is a choice you need to make every day. You must practice it since as we have been before, external factors won't significantly affect your happiness. These are just some examples of assumptions you may hold. My intention here is to show you that your interpretations and the emotions generate from them are largely the result of the assumptions you hold about the world. Thus, to experience more positive emotions, it is important you spend time revising your assumptions. Analyze your interpretations. As we have already seen, you interpret events based on your assumptions. Now, below are some questions to help you understand what I mean by interpretations. Do you think everything happens for a reason and embrace it? Or do you play the victim? If we answer these questions for every situation wherein we are feeling bad or low in the emotions, I think these are going to help us. Do you believe temporary setbacks are just milestones that will lead you to succeed, or do you give up when you encounter your first major setback? Most of the coaches, most of the people who are staying stuck where they are is because they stopped the moment they saw a failure happening. And the successful people, you will see, एक बार फेल हुए, दूसरी बार फेल हुए, तीसरी बार फेल हुए, they are always only learning from the failure and stepping up. इसका सबसे अच्छा एग्जांपल है बल्ब जो बना था, उसके बारे में 1000 times it was experimented and 1001 time he actually cracked the code. Do you try to change things that cannot be changed, or do you accept them? Do you believe you are here for a reason, or do you wander through life without any clear purpose? Do you believe problems are bad and should be avoided, or do you believe they are necessary part of life? Here, this is what is coming to my head, that अगर दिन नहीं होगा तो रात के मजे नहीं होंगे, और रात नहीं होगी तो दिन के मजे नहीं होंगे. Remember, what differentiates people who live a happy life from people who are miserable is often how they choose to interpret their lives. And this has been given with an action step. Action step is write down interpretations of your emotions using the workbook that is given at the back of the book. Write down 1 or 2 emotional issues you currently have. Ask yourself, if I could get rid of some emotions, losing which ones would have the most positive impact on your life? Your interpretations of these issues, that is, ask yourself, what would I need to believe for my story to be true? And then new empowering interpretation that will help you to deal with this issue. Ask yourself, what do I need to believe to avoid experiencing these negative emotions? It's like old story and now you're making a new story out of it. जो हमने अभी practice भी किया है, right? All right, that's it. Wow. Today was a long discussion. We had good time discussing stuff. Yes, Madhulika, would you like to share anything here before we end the session?
Yeah, regarding this, analyzing your interpretations, that yes, first of all, whether it is a problem or not, that also depends. You take it as a problem or not, right? And then how you deal with that problem, that all what matters in life. How you come back, aap gire, ek baar gire, uthe ya nahi uthe, that what matters. You have not lost the game until you decide that yes, you have lost it. Till the time you are ready to give it a fight, till the time you have not lost it, you are still there in the game. So, and a very good experiment that you said that regarding the bulb, there is one more, a beautiful experiment. If an ice cube melts in 5 minutes, does it melted in the last 5th minute? It was melting since the 1st minute, but the visible changes, the growth, the change can be visibly seen in 5th minute. So, but those 4 minutes also worked on that. The atmospheric pressure, the air also worked on those 4 minutes as well.
Bamboo is a very good example. Bamboo को कितने महीने नीचे ही रहते हैं, all of a sudden it shoots up. We never know. We are a
Right.
bamboo.
Yes, you're right. So yeah, I'm also working on those lines. I've been this is what my story is. I worked as CEO of my house for 25 years. So now I'm taking that experience of crisis management, leadership, conflict management, positivity, team building, everything into corporates. And let's see.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. God bless you with massive, massive, massive success. Uh, Before we close, I also want to share. There was something on my head, so there is a formula. There is an event plus response is equal to the outcome. Event is a fact. Okay. So whatever event is happening in our life is a fact. But now how we respond to it gives us the outcome. अभी आप उसका नेगेटिव रिस्पॉन्स करते हो कि पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स करते हो इज इन आवर हैंड. We do not have any power over the event that is happening. So it is that E plus R is equal to O. Event plus response is equal to the outcome. तो अभी आपको outcome कैसी चाहिए? If you want a positive outcome, you have to work on the kind of response that you are going to create for the event.
Right, right.
What?
That is what we can do. That
Yes.
is what we can, we have our, um, um, uh, we have it in our hands that how we respond to the event. Whatever has happened, whatever the setup, whatever the pros and cons, plus and minus, ups and downs, health issues, whatever is there. But then how we deal with that is all that matters.
So it is like जो भी
Right.
हो रहा है that is a fact. अभी उसकी मैं क्या स्टोरी बनाती हूँ, मैं उसको कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करती हूँ, is going to decide where my life is going to go. All right, with that note, we shall close today's session. And tomorrow we do not have a session. We will meet again on Monday at 2 p.m. with chapter number 13, which talks about letting go of your emotions.
You have something special to do on 8th of March, Women's Day?
Actually, now tomorrow it's my husband's birthday. Tomorrow I have to go for satsang as well, which takes a lot of time. So I'll be going there early in the morning, and I'll come back around 1 or 2 p.m. उसके बाद मेरे husband का birthday है, तो we'll celebrate that. So my day is going to go in any case like that. So there is nothing
You
that
can stop the recording, Karishma, if you want.